Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial or video. So in this video I just want to talk about another place where you can get help, and that is Reddit. So here I am on a Reddit website, and I'm just going to be showing you guys some subreddits which are very useful for getting help on iOS development and also getting some ideas. It's just Reddit. So some ideas, there's this one subreddit which I really like for getting ideas, apps. So it's called app ideas, and there's a few with this, but the main one is that one. If you click on this /app ideas, then we go here and there's just a lot of different app ideas, and just shows you guys like some ideas. If I click on one of these, you can see that it's got all this, and it just adds stuff in, and down here's like food app. And yeah, there's just, if you're bored, you can just go onto here and find a app which you might want to make, and then you can just make it. Now there's also one called iOS, if I go to iOS programming, this one, and here is where I think they show some new like patches, some problems, and I think you can also ask some questions. So if I go to the questions flare, then you can just see all the questions here. And yeah, if you're ever stuck, you can go here. The only problem with this is that since there's so many users inside of this, then it's quite hard to, like, if you have one question, it's quite hard for it to be recognized. But if it's a valid question and lots of people have wondering the same thing, then it will get recognized and get an answer usually. So yeah, and finally, if you just do iOS, we just do this. This is just a generic iOS thing, and it's not really about Xcode or anything. But yeah, you can type in, you can do Xcode. There's a menu for that, but it's quite small and it's not really that large, but it's still quite useful. So you can do Xcode or Swift. There's one for Swift, and the Swift one is quite large because it's just a programming language. So if you have a question about Xcode generically, then I'd recommend going to the Xcode one, and you're more likely to get an answer there since it's smaller. But if there's a question more about Swift programming, then I'd go on to this one. But yeah, so these were just the main subreddits which I like to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in a future tutorial. Bye.